Is your Lenovo IdeaPad 1 battery draining too fast? This battery replacement is easier than you think. I've done it hundreds of times. You can replace it yourself in 10 minutes with 4 simple steps and save $80 in repair shop fees. Start by removing the 10 Phillips screws on the bottom cover. Use the correct screwdriver size. If the bit doesn't fit snugly, you'll strip the screw heads and make opening the laptop nearly impossible. A magnetic screwdriver kit makes this much easier. All the right sizes in one set, and the magnetic tips hold those tiny screws so they don't disappear into your carpet. I've linked the one I use in the description. Next, separate the bottom cover from the palm rest. The two halves are held together by plastic clips running around the edges. You'll need a spudger for this. Slide it into the gap and work your way around the edges to release the clips. You'll hear clicking sounds as they let go. That's exactly what you want. Some resistance is normal, but don't force it. If you rush this, you could snap the clips. Take your time and work gently. Once all the clips are free, lift the cover off carefully. Now you can see the internals and the battery. If this has already saved you a repair shop visit, hit the like button. It really helps others find the video too. Now disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This is the most delicate moment of the repair. Normally, you should pull on the connector itself, not the wires, but this one is hard to reach. If you need to grip the cable, be very gentle. You could tear the wires easily. Pull gently and it'll come free. Then remove the 6 screws holding the battery in place. If you still need a replacement battery, I've linked a compatible one in the description. But here is the important part. Different IdeaPad 1 models use different batteries. Check the model number printed on your old battery and make sure you order that exact one. Otherwise, it won't fit or could damage your laptop. With all screws removed, lift the old battery out. It should come free with no effort. But if it's still stuck, don't force it. Double check if you removed all screws. Now install your new battery in reverse order. Connect the cable, screw it down, snap the bottom cover back on. Your battery will last for hours again. If you want to upgrade your laptop even further, check the next video right here.